Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today I'm preparing a guava cornbread. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. Of course, everything will be listed for you in the description box below. Okay, I've melted some salted butter in my skillet, and I'm going to melt a couple tablespoons more in the microwave for the batter. Okay, starting with the eggs. Everything here is already at room temperature. It's two large eggs. I'd like to say hello right here to my people, my members. God bless you. I appreciate you. Thank you for staying with me. You are so faithful. God bless you wherever you need it most. I love you. Next is the Guava Paste. Now I have this in the fridge for a while. I don't know why. So I just decided to add some to my cornbread today. Just for a different flavor. And it was really good. So this is somewhat stiff. Firm. So I'm going to use about half of this, and I'm going to add it to the melted butter. So that's somewhat hot, so maybe it would be able to soften this up a bit for me. Continue watching. Some persons always mistake yellow grits for cornmeal whenever I cook it. This is yellow grits. Yellow grits is coarse. Grits, that's grits. And this is cornmeal. Everybody knows cornmeal. Cornmeal is finer. It's somewhat like a flour. So don't get it mixed up. When I'm using yellow grits, it's yellow grits. Cornmeal is cornmeal. God bless you. Now I'm using self-rising flour. You can use the all-purpose flour and baking powder if you don't have the self-rising flour. But I have self-rising flour, so I'm putting it to use today. All right. just 1 cup of self-rising flour. So if you're going to use the regular flour, you use 1 cup of that to 1 teaspoon of baking powder. How does that sound? No sugar is necessary because the paste, guava paste, is already sweet. Same thing for the salt because I'm using salted butter. So just follow this little simple recipe and you will be fine. This is delicious guava cornbread. This goes into my skillet. It has already been heated. That's butter, salted butter. And I broke the handle off this morning. Oh my word. This is a set of 3. That's a 2-inch. And I'm using the 4-inch and this is the 10-inch. Okay, so you get 3 for the price of 1. The link for these will be in the description box below. So be sure to check it out and get yourself a set. God bless you. Okay, right now I'm going to put this into the oven. It is set at 350 degrees and it's going to bake until the insertion comes out clean. It's ready. Look at that. Nice and golden. This is guava cornbread. Everything is clean. It's ready. This is about 35 minutes later. Look at that. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Share it out. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.